Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make money using Amazon Associates in 2025 step by step. Whether you are a blogger, YouTuber, or complete beginner, this affiliate program is a great way to earn passive income. Let's get started. Amazon Associates is Amazon's official affiliate program. You sign up, get special links to Amazon products, and earn a commission every time someone clicks and buys. It's free to join, easy to use, and works in any niche. To join, visit affiliateprogram.amazon.com. Then click the first link. Then enter your information like your address, email address, profile name, add your website, blog, or social media profile, fill out your profile payment information and preferred store ID, accept the terms, and hit submit. You need to make at least 3 sales in 180 days to stay in the program. Once approved, go to the Amazon Associates dashboard. Search for any product. You will see a get link option. You can create text links, image links, native shopping ads, product. Copy and paste these links into your content, whether it's a blog, email, or YouTube description. Promote products you actually use or trust for better results. Now let's talk about where to share your affiliate links. YouTube videos, review or unbox products and drop links in the comment or description. Blogs and websites, write top 10 lists, comparisons or product reviews. Pinterest, create niche boards and pin affiliate links posts. Instagram or TikTok, add links into your bio. Email newsletters, share deals or gift guides with your audience. The key is to create content that solves problems or helps people make a decision. Amazon pays you a commission every time someone clicks your affiliate, buys any product on Amazon within 24 hours. Even if they don't buy the item you linked, you still earn from their purchase. Commission rates vary 1 to 3% for tech, up to 10% for fashion and beauty. Bonuses for special events like Prime Day or bounty programs. Payments are made via direct deposit, check, or Amazon gift card. Here are some quick tips to grow your Amazon affiliate income. Target high converting niches like gadgets, home tools, fitness gear. Use SEO optimized blog posts to attract Google traffic. Add comparison tables or based of lists. Always disclose affiliate links with a small note. Use tools like Trusty Affiliates or Pretty Links to manage and clock links. Track which links are getting clicks. then double down on what works. And that's how you can make money with Amazon Associates in 2025, even as a beginner. Recap: sign up for free, share links where your audience is active, create honest, helpful content, grow your traffic, and stay consistent. If you want more affiliate marketing videos, give this one a like, hit subscribe, and let me know in the comments what niche you are in. Thanks for watching. Now go start earning, and I will see you in the next video.